Hey guys, I'm Tiemy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are thinking about buying your first film camera, maybe from vintage market, this video is for you. I totally get the excitement. Film cameras are beautiful and each one carries a bit of history. But before you spend money, it's really important to check few things to make sure you are getting something that actually works. So, in this video, I will show you everything I personally check when buying a film camera. No tools needed, so let's get started. First, check the camera body. Pick up the camera and give it a good look. Check for dents, cracks, or any sign it's been dropped. Some scratches are normal. That's part of the charm. But big impact mark means something is damaged inside. Pay close attention to the lens mount area, the viewfinder, and the back door. Make sure everything open and closed properly. 2. Power it on. Some cameras are mechanical and don't need any battery, but some do, especially for light meter or shutter. If you are unsure, bring some battery with you just in case. Three, check the lens. The lens is just as important as the body. A good camera with bad lens won't give you a nice photo. So look through the both end of the lens and use your flashlight if needed. You're checking for fungus or haze inside the glass, deep scratches, oil or stickiness on the aperture blade. Also, rotate the focus rings and the aperture rings. They should move smoothly, not too tight or not too loose. 4. Test the shutter speed. Change the shutter speed and press the shutter button. Check all speed and listen closely. You want to make sure each shutter speed works. A slower one should sound longer, fast one should be quick. 5. Light seal and shutter type. Open the camera's bag and check for the light seals. There are foam strips around the door edge. If the foam is melted, sticky, or missing, light might leak in and ruin your photo. It's fixable, but good to know before buying. Now, let's talk about shutter type. Some cameras, like many SLRs, have shutter curtain inside the body. Check that it looks flat and undamaged, not holes or scratches. Fire the shutter while the back is open to see how it moves. It should open and closely cleanly. But not all cameras have curtain. For example, my Zeiss Icon or my Bronica use leaf shutter, which are built inside the lens, and that's totally normal. To check a leaf shutter, just change the shutter speed and press the button. Watch the blade inside the lens. They should move crispy at every speed. 6. Check the aperture blade. If you can see the aperture blade, change the f-stop and make sure they move evenly. If you can't see them right away, try using a slow shutter speed and press the shutter. Watch the blades open and closing. What we don't want to see, they are oily, stuck, or not closing properly. 7. Check the mirror. If the camera is an SLR, pick inside and check the mirror. It should be clean, not cracked, and fill up smoothly when you press the shutter. Sometimes the foams behind the mirror are old, so it causes loud sound or shaking. It's not always a big issue, but it's something to know. For the last one, check the film advance and frame counter. Try the film advance lever or knob. Make sure it moves smoothly. Check the frame counter too. Some people don't care about if it's working, but if it's important for you, make sure it's reset and count properly. So that's everything I personally check when I'm buying film camera. Let me know in a comment what would you check when you are buying vintage camera, and tell me about your story. I hope this video helped, and if you want more film photography tips or behind the scene or story cameras, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy shooting.